welcome back to the shop. Tonight I got something totally unusual, totally out of the ordinary for us, but it's pretty cool. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, right down below is a button that says subscribe. Click that and be sure to click the little bell next to it too. That way I can send you a message every time I put out a new YouTube video. Now, this week I got something really exciting going on here in the shop and I want to share it with you. I got a video phone call from a friend of mine. You may have heard of her. Her name is Jo Dee Messina. If you haven't, she's a very famous country singer. She's got 6 #1 hits. She's been nominated for a couple of Grammy Awards. Anyway, she needed a little help from the Do Right Fabrication Shop.
Okay, Jim, I have an issue this year for Halloween. I know it's right around the corner. I know that you're slammed. I know you're working and you're building stuff all the time. But here's the deal. Jonah wants to be a X-Wing fighter, and we have this outfit, this costume, but we do not have the jet. Can you help me, please?
So you're wanting me to pull an X-Wing fighter out of the Do Right shop for you then, huh?
Yeah, I'm wanting you to pull one out of your hat. Look at your hat's nice and big enough for an X-Wing fighter. If you could do that, we would be so grateful.
You know, I can't pretty much say no when kids want cool stuff to be kids.
We do have a neighborhood like march down the street, and this would be like, he would sport this with pride. I know he would. Oh,
when I built one for my son, I know he did. He was the coolest kid in town. And you know what? All the dads at his school, they still hate me.
Oh, yay! I want all the dads in my neighborhood to hate you too, Jim.
They're like, you realize that next year I have to build an X-Wing fighter costume for my kid? Thanks a lot. So, what have you guys been up to?
We just got done with fall break and decided what we're gonna be for Halloween. I have a new single coming out.
Oh yeah?
It's called Reckless Love, and it's the Corey Asbury song that people might have heard on the Christian, radio station, but I really felt the message had to get across to everybody. You know, we can't format God. And so that comes out this week. We have our fingers crossed and just kind of, just watching, see what happens heading into Halloween.
If your son's gonna dress up, as an X-Wing pilot, I'm thinking, Luke Skywalker. Are you gonna put your hair up in buns like Princess Leia?
I don't know, because my other son's going as Han Solo. So.
Oh, look, you got 2 choices.
You or Chewbacca?
Yes, Chewbacca or Princess Leia. All right, folks, there you have it. That's what you need from the Do Right Fabrication Shop. Now, if you haven't already seen, I'll put a link right here. A bunch of years ago, I did a video on building this very costume for my son. Be sure to watch that video. So in the words of Yoda, there is no try. There is only do or do not. We're gonna do it. One X-Wing fighter costume coming right up. Now, if you'd like to follow me between videos, be sure to follow me on Instagram under Do Right Builder or follow the Do Right Fabrication Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again real soon. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed what you saw here today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like us on Facebook. Please, somewhere down below here is a link. We've got a lot more really cool stuff coming. Is that right, camera guy? Is there a link down there? Send me a comment. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Click whatever link, click something. See you soon.